That's right, this video unveils the top 8 European cities that will pay you to move there, and guess what? They're also perfect retirement havens. Imagine charming cafes, beautiful scenery, and a little extra cash in your pocket. So, ditch the budget worries and discover your dream retirement spot in Europe. 8 European cities that will pay you to move there, and that are perfect for retirees. Deciding where to move when you retire is no easy decision. Maybe you value a lower cost of living or easy access to healthcare facilities. Perhaps you want to be closer to family or have a home somewhere warm. But what if you could retire in a city that will pay you to move there? It's not as crazy as you may think. Due to falling populations or other issues, some European cities are offering to pay you or give you incentives to move overseas. It may even help you to stop throwing money away. Make sure hit subscribe button for more videos. Here are the cities to consider. Number 8. Borgomezzaval, Italy. Located in the Italian Alps, Borgomezzaval is trying to entice new residents to move to the area after seeing a decline in population. Check out the town where you could buy an empty house for as little as €1, which is equivalent to $1.08. Yes, a little more than $1. The town will also give you an additional $2,100 if you start a new business in the area. You may also qualify for up to $10,000 and $1,000 per child conceived in the country. Earn a $250 travel bonus with this incredible card. There's a credit card that's making waves with its amazing bonus and benefits. The Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card has no annual fee and you can earn 25,000 bonus points after spending $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. You can earn additional points just by using this card for your everyday purchases, unlimited 1.5 points per $1 spent on all purchases. The 25,000 bonus points can be redeemed for a $250 statement credit toward travel or dining purchases. If you want to travel and dine out more, the Travel Rewards card can help you get where you want to go. The best part, there's no annual fee. Number 7. Antikythera, Greece. It may be hard to imagine living on a Greek island that has only 20 other residents, but it could be appealing if you want some peace and quiet in your retirement. As a new resident, you will be given land, a home, and €500, more than $530, a month for the first 3 years you live there. The plan to add more residents to the island does favor Greek citizens, but non-Greeks will also be considered if you're interested. Number 6. Sambuca, Sicily. On the island of Sicily is Sambuca, which is well known for its production of the liqueur of the same name. It also has seen a decline in population in recent years and is trying to increase the number of residents by allowing new buyers to pick up a house for €2 or $2.16. The catch is that most of these residences have fallen into disrepair. You'll probably need to spend more than $15,000 to renovate a home if you decide to move there. Number 5. Ponga, Spain. Ponga is nestled in the Cantabrian Mountains of Spain, making it the perfect location for retirees who enjoy nature. It's also only an hour-long drive to the northern coast of Spain along the Atlantic. The town will pay €3,000 for any couple who moves to the area, which means a retired couple can easily get an incentive to move and spend their golden years eating good food and drinking Spanish wine. The money can be paid in full or in €100 installments every month. You must commit to living in the area for 5 years in order to make extra money. You may want to persuade other members of your family, such as adult children, to join you since each child receives €3,000 as well. The town will also pay extra to the parents of babies born in the region. Number 4. Sark, the Channel Islands. Sark is a small island with fewer than 500 residents and 0 cars, which could be an attraction if you're looking for a more quiet life. Sark may be a good option if you decide to take on a new side hustle in the arts, such as writing or composing. Artists can get a 2-year visa for free that can be extended indefinitely. The island also doesn't have taxes on income, capital gains, or VAT. That alone may be an incentive to move there. Pro tip: you could end up using the right credit card to earn travel rewards and visit your chosen destination to make sure it's right before you retire. Number 3. Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia is a large island off the coast of Italy in the Mediterranean Sea that features beautiful beaches and turquoise water. The island has set aside grants for new residents who want to move there, which could be attractive to retirees. In order to qualify for one of the grants, you have to move to a town in Sardinia with fewer than 3,000 residents. You also must use the grant of €15,000, or more than $16,000, to buy or renovate a home. Number 2. Presicacquerica, Italy. You will live among the olive trees if you make the move to Querica, located in the Puglia region in the heel of the boot of Italy. The town will pay €30,000, or more than $32,000, to anyone who is willing to move there and buy a home to rehabilitate. You also have to make it your official residence, so this isn't a move if you want a vacation home in Italy. And like some other towns on this list, Querica will give you more than $1,000 for each baby born there, which could make it an enticing move if you bring along your children or grandchildren. Number 1. Albanen, Switzerland. If you've thought about retiring to Switzerland, there may be a good option for you in the Swiss Alps. Albanen will pay families of 4 almost $58,000 to move to the area, which could make it a lucrative option for you. To break it down, the Swiss government will pay you about $26,000 per adult and $10,000 per child. The catch is the offer is restricted to Swiss residents or those who have lived in Switzerland for a certain period of time. You'll also have to commit to living in Albanen for 10 years. So, the real question is, which European haven best fits your budget and dream retirement? Do your research, consider your priorities, and find the perfect European city to call home. You also may discover that you can retire early based on how much you've saved already plus the incentives you could earn if you move to certain cities in Europe. Make sure hit subscribe button for more videos.